In this video, I will show how to fix spacing in a modified Justify format, paragraph in Word. So guys, if you need to remove the white space between words, as we can see here, some white space without reason, you can remove this space easily in just a few steps. So firstly click on File, this one File, and More, and Options. Here click on Advanced. Now scroll down. Underneath layout options for, so select don't expand character spaces on a line that ends with shift plus return. So you have to check this box, then click on OK. So as we can see, we successfully removed this space. So this is the basic way guys to remove extra white space in Word document. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you.